All right, we are heading towards the entrance of the Kittanning mine, copper mine. Originally opened early 1900s, worked through the 60s, I believe, is the latest. See, there's copper staining on the wall there. Stripped off the ceiling, it's pretty cool looking. There's a big stope above us, mined way up. There was the boards they stood on. Christian's back taking more pictures. Whoop, I bumped my head. Ooh, look at that copper staining there. That is cool. Check that out. It's all natural copper staining. Water dripping everywhere. Oh, it's got rained on. Ow! That hurt. I just hit my head. What's this? Some wood jammed up here. Board filled in with the wedges of wood. I'm not gonna hit my head again. That hurt. There's the track. They had pretty wide rail cars, go karts in this mine. It's a very wide track. Very unusually wide, actually. Almost to the entrance here, there's a old wheelbarrow and a bunch of old track right here. Now here's the wheelbarrow, it's all rusted out, you can see. Here's my foot. And a whole bunch of old track, another 20 pieces. Goes back about 400 feet maybe. All right, coming out to the light of day. Here, I'll show you the view from up here into that big log. It's so awesome up here. Yeah, it's looking down the hill. Came up about 1,000 feet today. This little miner's trail, it kind of winds its way down the hill and switchbacks. We only had to go about 1,800 feet to find it, so. Anyways, here's the entrance to the mine right there. So, there you go. This is 1st of November, 2020.